Them took out every blood clot spot. I took off the filter. Watch out. Them took out every spot. I'm gonna make room do the laser hot test and burn out test. Mm-hmm. Can't look woman up and burn out my face with the laser. When I hear Bingy when I come over here, I bring her around there. Yeah, so when I reach one back, yeah, I said, Jesus, I forgot New York back at that woman there. But call her up.
First, because I can get a ticket for come New York for like $30. I'll $15 for fine ticket for come to New York.
Yeah, them flight there uncomfortable.
No. Because I have one app with me not you know the app people in the comments.
You know which app?
I have one app girl from my phone and I really get good tickets. Why think I always travel up and down, so?
The app with the rabbit upon it?
No. Which app that? I don't know that one there.
Yeah, that one that get cheap hotel and cheap tickets. All some big hotel I'm getting for like $50 nights.
I ticket I get pints or something.
All I do not want nobody talk me.
So far, I don't know what's up.
Who is she?
No, nothing about texture.
Is that your person?
I don't know what I'm going, but that's the comment. I don't know what I'm.
Like, I'm also an ear person. If it's an ear person, clearly because they sell ear, that's the reason why somebody tag you.
I see ear sell really good fucking ear, and them me talk about them for Alibaba, them for AliExpress, them even they over here on Instagram. I follow them. I see ear and the wig, the puffy wig when we didn't say like them it come from.
Yeah, one woman, I be a promotion shadow now. She so good ear. When you should then I know you're my ignorant. The woman sell 4 bungalow ear and one frontal 150. But you forgot early, like should I have one big sale? I forgot early what you should then I know you're 4 bungalow, a 30-inch, 150. And I be a good ear she sell.
Like when I go ear store for go buy stuff from the bungle, but we never buy from them. Them sell them ear them too expensive in that ear store. For no reason. Them look at Indian people, eh?
Exactly. No, the woman I still should have. Otherwise, I hear them there.
But if somebody
them could sell there.
one bungles to buy, I recommend IC ear car. If you just sit one buy bungles and sell it, oh god man, IC ear sell really good fucking ear blondie. Them cheap. The thing with them is if them tell you the price, they say I have that, them nah
My tell myself so I not buy no more wig. Cause when I buy a wig, them always pick out the whole of the front and it not out quick. I buy when my wig them when I make, them always serve longer.
But if it front pick out quick, you can just bring the wig with a frontal guard, the hairdresser should change it out for you.
I mean, I tell you, they say when they make it, it serve longer to me and heavier, stay heavy.
You eat Paris, or she sell HD lace.
Gallop from Paris. Sometimes I see Paris, I make fair baby ear, I look like macaroni in that thing.
We can't make baby ear, but not take no comments. We can't make them a try always. Yeah.
I can't make baby ear from people, not myself. I cannot. Lord, me a vacuum in my living room and cleaning. Yeah, come out of one cute guest.
Today?
Yeah. A friend them.
Oh.
Living room too real, man. Living room is a mess.
So I go cook also.
She cook from early.
Oh. What time?
What can I cook them time, yeah? You try to several.
Be in a bed all day.
Be like fire them time, yeah, Toby.
Be in a bed all day, but just look at it after 6. Not even know.
I been give my first say, what kind of fire like them time, blondie? I come.
Girl,
room.
yeah. Or something, and I didn't know.
Paris, I can't talk about room to like that foreign. Yeah, that foreign, no, I'm not all a room argument to that. Lord, me eat na big fingernail them.
But that's just some simple and green comedy.
Are you do them, yes,
No. Oh, but Blondie, I got the salon and do my nails them. I can show you them.
I want to look up in there, do it.
Yeah, this is what my nails take. But going there, I say, can I get some simple box nail in a neon green? And she said, okay.
So she Jamaican or she some of the Chinese?
I want Chinese woman. She said, you want to do your nails? I said, yeah.
Just, Lord, I tell her do them thing.
Yeah. I don't like when my finger them big, I don't like them look thick, them look weird.
You couldn't go in a salon, but one Chinese salon.
And them alone, I see over here, hey, the Asian woman, they take up America with them shop them, you know? I got to Texas, you get a pedicure and one shop at Asian woman. I say, watch ya.
Uncle place, I got China, got do a mat, so. I even afraid for make them put acrylic per mat, so.
I don't put acrylic, I just do gel.
Yeah. That's what I'm nice and cute. Me eat na a big fingernail. The first fingernail I would do better.
Here there. But
I
always
see what do the first one them?
yeah, she do all of them. Every time I go to shop for like a year and a half now.
Yeah. She tired when she do that then.
I got to shop when she reach about 7:30 and she close 8 o'clock for sure, maybe. But nothing wrong with them glowing at the dark and them get the job done pretty. But I've not that complete.
Nah, but and then I get man to watch them, man.
I'm about to watch them, then just saw what them do.
If you ever lick up them the way them thin and look like box, them take out the whole of your fingernail.
I do my finger them last week and lick it up and 2 broke off. My ball is in my and so come I go back to go do this.
Come here, make me fucking like. More do my nails. But me I wear my mind. No, girl, so when winter come, me can't better do nails on a winter, you know.
You have to zip up your jacket. You have to
put on all the pack clothes.
You can't do them, but do them short.
Me I do them back shots. Last year the winter gave me hell, I can't drop the clothes them.
You know, me ate with nails in New York when I got the fucking subway and I tried the card and there's something for pull it out. You have to bring a tweezer.
No card and I not in that subway.
The jump it?
One for her. My son if I get to see somebody I come and beg them pull it.
Girl, when in New York I have a figure deal, you have to dip the card fast and pull it. New Jersey, me ate it.
Wait, that used to happen to me, and me have to beg the man them take it out when it's stuck in the machine.
And the girl when used to do nails in New Jersey, Shelly said, when they do your nails in them area, you have to have a tweezer when they got them placed there.
Yeah.
But that I never left a tweezer come and New York when they have a fingernail.
But Toby, I just have a fingernail. You wear fingernail from New York?
Of course.
Yeah.
But like the moment just have your fingernail.
When I want nothing about me, I would ask. You know, man, that fuck the girl them or something about them. The man them like fuck the girl them or nothing about them. What me I pay for, me not pay nothing blood clot. Let me see a nail Toby. Where was the woman nail
Mr. Dream?
Dream?
I need this with you.
Try now.
My dad do this with Dolly Frame.
Try your nails there, Binky. Cause I want to do them like Karen.
Something wrong with my nails, them Dream. Bloody just ate my nails them because them just simple. She said them thin.
Them cute. Like your nails giving cute.
We had a request for Fafa to come over here.
Yeah, could I ignore it, you know?
Why you request for to come over
You know, you could
here?
I ignore it?
But yeah, my work.
Drought.
What else?
You're supposed to that with my man work 24/7. Like the woman, the night being your nails, I'm good. One bad church and all of that.
No.
super fast.
We never pay them little bit of money to get blondie for the
Yeah,
food.
that not pass over $50.
What do you mean? Of course,
So,
it
who do you
costs
hear, Toby?
$50. Eh?
Who do you hear?
Who do me hear?
Yeah.
That day, you know.
The girl in New York do me hear. What's your name again? What's your name, the daughter?
All
Who
that.
for that?
The woman in New York.
Nobody I know you not do nothing, so.
Everybody in New York, everybody, yeah, she got to.
Oh,
You look good, don't it?
cute.
Don't talk.
Me eat, now I've been getting here and say this to the ear with me having earlier.
And that's why I don't know why you talk about me. The one for drag off a week for life, I put on her bonnet.
One red wig.
They cook to the blondie?
One of my real man friend come drop one piece of fried chicken, rice and peas, like when I'm mother with her cookies.
Oh, you're there.
Cute.
That not so bad.
Lettuce and salad pan the side. I'm not gonna do the teeth things so cook and them catch on and bag them. I'm gonna get the 2 bag, I'm sorry. Yeah, you could get them the 2 bag. I thief about 2 dozen Alaska and 6
You're
bullet beef for
crazy.
tonight.
Blondie,
Them,
tell the story that stressed me out.
them
The
coulda-
bully beef them have to stay. If
them,
the boy come next week.
yeah, bullet beef and macaroni.
Oh, somebody I can't remember. Better.
Cute.
Dream wicked and lie.
Dream no rest. No, sir.
You have to stay till the boy come.
I couldn't get them back. I couldn't get them back the 2 bag. Them I back up my taser and my pepper spray and put the bag over my shoulder like a handbag. So could blondie, you have nothing for. Alright, look here, like sometimes you talk too much, so like excuse that for my life.
But I just said the reason you say what your own amount the reason why you never work, you never have no money, so.
If me no have nothing for wear that not me no keep dance. And me not go dance every day, so if me not go one party, me I go one party and spend something. I'm going to a dance and spend.
I'm Blondie and a drinker, so and I like
Exactly. Only to me I gotta dance and a makeup number. I just take off him dirty Batman blood clot.
Let me ask one question. Why do I have profile of them that have no picture?
I don't know.
What the? We'd at least put up one meme or something.
But just black out them blood clots. If me no want to know dance, me not gonna know dance. Me not keep party. I me not miss lean on a dance. Me have dance name. Now I've been getting to me, I get up and go dance every day. Am I alive?
I think you would have, because the way I see it, I got the at the party, I think you'd do it.
I have my time. I not my like a party regular pan holidays like down in a Christmas time. Them time they're not during the year.
They could have like a big figure where you want, but cut it off.
I would send me request.
You could have like a big figure where you
Transparency live. That process of request. How it is?
Hello?
Who is this?
My ear?
Like you're giving retarded. Who's this?
Blood clot, bitch. I mean,
How are they, Paris?
girl, my business page, this girl. My business page.
So I never compare normal page.
So two boys just follow me a while ago, girl. I can't really go out myself.
Person enough. Let's have followers that come out fire for catch.
Your bright team said two guys just follow me, two straight boy. On my account, so I come off.
After my life, them follow
No, cause your name no friend. A friend of them
you? You're
par.
strip boy. So the boy them think you're woman Paris.
Mm-hmm.
If that girl with pussy and breast. Paris about to freeze right now, girl. We're at trouble here.
Come on my
Sure.
profile then.
One thing with Paris when she call her,
Oh, I miss my man.
put on my towel.
God no matter from
I'm
earth.
a from go in.
God know me have to move from. I want that dirty pinky. I'm at the iron class up on the floor. Come on the floor, nasty pinky. Paris to the broke up Wi-Fi.
You could
Wow.
have made me just stay and
I for come yesterday. I can't rub your booty.
Miss Yalwa man have all green fingernail.
Cherissa is a girl.
Can I tell you? But why is the man up so
Not gonna lie, God.
Cherissa girl.
God know Toby, me say me stay with the green fingernail to blood. If you remember the green.
It's much for cup.
Watch out.
My rub, you know my rub, mega make girl.
Toby, you know, say God, I come from emergencies. I pay category 5 hurricane we have. I want to
You know, say them come straight. You know, say them head straight to Atlanta with them out of themselves.
So now you what I look for?
Yes, my body central, man.
So come wash out the whole of the little business over here.
Me, I tell you.
I'm Martin with them drinks.
Yeah, I told me next time I do white.
I always in a white nails. I want my fingernail them can look and stuff and cute like pinky them.
So told me fingernail them white.
I
Yeah,
know where
them
Toby use all his
cute.
fingernail. I wipe him back. I know wipe all him back and look at shit must go on him fingernail.
Never give that.
Yeah.
Lord,
Yeah, shit, but Pinky a bit shit at top boy them some of that. Like I like shit.
Blondie move your blood clot at the last time I see a blood clot about your skirt and I pay shit water your leg up on the blood
You
clot.
can't see the shit water come out
A
of my
big one,
pussy.
sister.
Cause natural water come out of me.
A
Natural
big one.
coconut
I don't mean
juice.
sister Blondie, a big one, sister.
Well, if big one says that I want topic we can't all up today.
Yeah.
A big one, sister girl. You know me not tell a lie. You know me a big one, sister girl.
You know when big one stop it.
All natural coconut juice a come out of my pussy. Coconut water.
Where's the girl? Coconut milk?
Coconut water.
Not tell a lie. I really forgot move from blood clot planet Earth to love and got planet Earth.
Or up and move.
That's man, that's too mad. Toby, let me see your nails them, Toby.
Oh, and the auntie girl.
I see the way with Toby Avan with that flat chest with my.
Watch out. Stop moving on your
closer,
finger
no.
now,
Put
bring
it
your
closer.
ball. Gusta. Them not even getting a look at clabbers. You understand, girl? You have a nails and them would have get a clabbers. Them they get
We
low
can't
back.
manage the clap. Blondie, I put on makeup every day and me have all things to them. I can't wear them.
We start pure masculinity missing all them nails there.
Like when the woman
Liar tell source of estrogen.
like when the woman had one nails and baby and stand up.
No, sir.
Lord, like a baby and stand up when she had one nails.
Source of
I
estrogen.
told the man like when you scratch them back with the nails that Toby.
Toby say nails them follow like this girly.
Pinky.
Girl settings.
One more. Pinky. Pinky. Lord. Hi, Paris.
Hi Blondie.
Pinky.
Get me out area Blondie.
So what? Stop talk.
Where me must stop talk? Me not stop. Where me by?
Paris, say come find the live and shut up, my friend. I want to know bingy.
Our Wi-Fi down.
Just stand back and request for me, see.
Sleep.
Child provider.
His grace is sufficient for me.
Yeah,
What function?
Instagram kicked me off because they know them block me.
No, because you're sure your trust and your summer still a spin. Like,
Which function you talk about?
Oh, it's great, big girl.
Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you.
so yeah, I'm a real my friend. You pray about Pinky.
Blondie, me not talk to you. Big blood clot, iron blood clot, marble stone back. Blondie, me not talk. Me I sing my blood clot. So, Blondie, move up your face. Come on, see your face. Kalash, me I say, me don't know if
It's me.
Hey, we can't bother, you know.
Pinky, when you see me in a purse, you see what all in my face?
Got walk on my face. Man, my
me
face.
see what, Blondie, me see what 18
Not you.
Oh.
Purse.
All right, my back now.
Pinky.
Blondie,
Tell the
anytime
truth,
blood clot.
Pinky, when you see me, I'm going to go like an uptown girl.
If you remember, I want 18 wheeler.
Me don't know what that, but me know that's something good.
I want Gandhi, I wanted the big truck them a drive with the 80 with the whole heap of wheel them, girl. I'm big truck. But this stuff I know that's something good.
Pinky, I like him, you don't like me?
Blondie, no man always like you, but blood clot, man. You come, the last time Toby she come out in a blood clot robe. And I show blood clot leg and I leg them big and for a hammock.
Lord.
Blondie, Pinky say when they
what?
walk down the road of the pump.
No, she don't do that. She got look a girly behavior.
Me nah look I'm a girly. What me I want? This man is
Blondie girly
say,
bad.
hi Blondie. Hear me, hey, what's up? Show me my cute and girl. Me not know.
Me never seen it.
At and jeans pants.
So Sherry
So
say,
you have a woman outfit can wear go outside.
so Pinky, I gonna make Blondie disrespect yourself?
Toby, she not disrespect me.
Pinky,
She not disrespect that you share blood clot disrespect because your bang will look blood clot bad for your head.
Make
Blood
it
clot,
Toby bad.
and your face with blood clot.
Make your disrespect Pinky. Make sure talk to stress out.
Blood
So
clot.
she have to just bring down something more.
Righteous straight.
Thanks for you, blood clot. Toby,
Always I catch them, say that kill them.
You're there.
So you're all tired now?
So make Pinky talk. Stress easy. Talk until class way.
Lift
Hold
up
on,
your
I put
neck.
on a shirt.
Lift up your neck, blood clot, Blondie. Where your blood clot show like catch your blood clot neck. My head throat drunk,
You're done.
Pinky, rub me.
More
You're
bad door.
full of stress. Rub me right
Me
here.
not rub it, Blondie. Me not have no stress, Blondie.
You probably sleep good tonight.
Me always asleep good on pillow at me dey pan.
Lord, I can't sleep on Pinky the pillow them. I can't buy no more from you. Come out. No, I was me watch a movie, man. Drop asleep. I can't.
Wait, stop.
Yeah.
When you send something that girl.
On the movie, I can't.
But remember, some Blondie them use the stone and brick, you know.
But for other form, my love. I got other form, I come.
Remember blood clot, Blondie them use the stone and blood clot brick.
I'll call it board.
I call it blood clot board and cardboard blood clot.
Toby, me not you. Yes, sir.
Oh God, I'm trying to text
Yeah.
me, Lord Jesus.
How would I man do?
Blondie is supposed to wonder who they do. You call girl a pussy yourself. You're supposed to say who is it?
Pinky, my
People look at all.
Not that man.
People look at all blind there. See.
You want nobody there?
Alright, I try to peep.
We see. Alright.
Hey, blind there, job, man.
Love her, man. Kill me off every time.
Where's something on call out yesterday, shouting on the phone?
What?
I can't come out of my bathroom now. I can't stop class.
Like a dumpy. One more try, again.
Blondie make me like you, Blondie. Me really come can't, but me have the blood clot.
Pinky, me I can end the life anytime. I just...
No, because me can't, but with blood clot too, because Toby feel a dumpy pan bed.
Toby, I will them
Crazy.
something, yeah.
Pinky
We never
sometimes.
talk.
Pinky sometimes me tired about you, man. You understand? But
You
man,
say.
sometimes I have like a stress. I have to just work with it. And them
I
eat.
say all day, I say a long time, I see Toby pan live and it's Toby just come now with a blood clot bang.
Instagram black for 5 months straight.
Okay.
Pinky. Show me just come with a bang.
And a literal bang. No, she come and look like blood, like Shaggy Moore and general Savior.
5 months for sit down on that Instagram black. I could antagonize social media no more. But
Should
For
have been
5
making blood
months.
clot come on here and do something nice. And she come here for a blood clot, all up and pull up, drag up and dash over there. So watch her now. Toby, move your nails to the camera. Can I give me a date right now? I make me dizzy. Now put the nails in, just use the cup and drink.
Toby is my girly.
Pinky just
Never
always Pinky ate because my girly Paris. So that's sad dad.
Oh, Jesus Christ, what I got?
Toby is soft.
Subtle. Soft and subtle.
You know what kind of supple you could have supple now, Toby?
That sound cute.
Right?
You don't have no supple in this boat time, Paris. You have that bunch of supple. You know
Yes,
how
the Paris,
blood
man.
clot that. Somebody, man, come on, Paris. Let me come, but the person
Pinky,
that
I got
Paris, why you upset Pinky? I tell you woman about supper.
I used to say it, I'm a follower, Blondie say that sound cute.
And then that girl in the comment trigger Pinky when she said, Toby, this girly.
Very chairman, I know you make a black here.
That's how Pinky.
Toby, you can't put a little emoji or something, or a little filter or something.
Ma,
Don't put that one filter.
I better put on the dirty filter with me. I go.
Hey, we can't bother anyway. But not filter. You know, I don't use filter on them something, I have a time for you.
You see me look cute and innocent. Them just don't want one friend around them with decent.
I have no time for the filter on them something.
Lad, now being gay.
I turn up that funny kind of area drag a bag.
Nobody not talk to you fasting.
I hope now being a fan, Jesus.
Yeah.
I saw some estrogen in my body, the testosterone left in me.
Jesus Christ, here again.
So you take hormone now, Bingy?
Whenever I take hormone, my band this way, blinding me a girl.
No, that's why I ask the kind of favor, man.
So what favor blinding you?
That's in my nervous.
My favorite girl that myself never said, oh man, my favorite girl.
We know your favor.